Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Audrey. Today I have a special guest, which is my sister and my cousin. And today we're gonna be opening and checking what's inside of this, like, Japanese police thingy. Like, it's a kit where you pretend to be a police.
You want to be a police officer or Ashley?
Handcuffs, and then a gun, then some bullets, then the badge, then what is
the gun holder?
What is this?
The badge.
The badge. What is this?
This is the badge too.
This is also a badge. This is the gun holder. So now let's open. And there's also a whistle.
You want to open it, Ashley?
Let me do it.
Let's Audrey help you out.
Wow, so beautiful, Daddy. I really need the handcuffs. Those are mine. I'm not lucky. Let me just try to open this real quick. How do you do this? This is how you open it. And then you put your hands inside, and then let me just close it. Now she can't come out anymore.
Be careful, don't lose your key. You lost your key, you are
No, you can
handcuffed.
open it from here, actually. Let me just put my hand in here. Oh, actually, it's like this. Now she can't open. Wow, what the heck? It's already broken. Why the heck is it already broken? Just hold it one time and then it came off.
Yeah.
Is this like for real? Why in the world? Okay, now I'm gonna try the gun, which is you have to pull it back. Wait, oh, it's like this. Put it inside. And now I'm gonna shoot it at you.
You need to pull the trigger.
Let me do it. Oh, what? Oh, I know now. Now I can suction it to here. I know now. I know.
Don't kill the camera, man.
Why? Now I have a whistle. I have this badge, and then I have this cake-looking thing. It's like this. Let me do it. Let me try.
This is the gun holder.
Okay, I shoot it a bullet. Shot a bullet. Oh my god, it's broken, you see? Why? We just pulled it for like a split second. And then it came out. Is this for real? Let me just fix it real quick. Well, how did it get out anyway? Okay, now this is broken. I don't want to use this anymore. Now let me just It's so loud. Bye. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give me a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And subscribe and like, or else I will shoot you. Oh. Bye.
Bye bye. Oh.